Happy birthday, Ante. Growing up, na-learn ako ang faith in God kang lula sali kay sige man to siya og grocery. Dayon kang lolo ida na-learn ako ang importance sa discipline. Sa imuha na-learn ako ang courage. Kay naka-witness ko sa unang you handled and managed life difficulties and challenges, especially the toughest ones, with positivity and full of bravery. Kung naay mga problema o mga kakulian, imong ginahatagan og solusyon, wala ka nakafocus sa problema, but to the solution to the problem. Salamat kay nakakiskis ko ana nga attitude to face the problem positively and face it squarely. Bless you with more years of good health and happiness para ma-enjoy pa nimo ang many more birthdays and best things and good things in life. Happy 80th birthday and enjoy your special day.
Hi tita, kumusta ka na? Happy 80th birthday.
Happy 80th birthday, tita. Magkita tayo pohon. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and more birthday to ka,
Tita, magpalakas ka, good health. Yun yung wish ko sa birthday mo. Love you, tita.
Love you, tita. Bye.
Sunod pohon at tumidiana.
Sunod pohon.
Ingat ka.
Regards sa tanan.
Sa lahat. Kay Kuya Nog, lahat na.
Pati kay
Arnie.
Regards na
At
nga
saka sa mga guwapa kong mga pamangkin dyan. Ay, Ate Monet. Happy birthday ulit, tita. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
See you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Beth. 80 years old ka na. Bigyan kang mahabang buhay ni Lord para kasama mo yung mga anak mo at mga apo mo. Happy birthday ulit. God bless you.
Hi, Beth. Hello, how are you? Happy 80th birthday. I'm so happy to have a chance to greet you today. Let us praise and thank God for the gift of life. Today is really a special day for you because this is a day that God has made to celebrate and to give thanks to Him for all the many blessings He has given you throughout these 80 years. Beth, your family, and especially your children, your grandchildren, and your siblings are so blessed to have you as one of their beloved mother, grandmother, and sister to them, because you have been very good to them. You have been very generous, very kind, understanding, and caring to all of them. To your friends, you are also a special friend to them because of your wisdom and grace and the talents that you have shared with them, and especially with your students. You're a person of character. You have inspired a lot of people. And for that, I really admire you. And for my birthday wish, I wish that God will really continue bless you immensely with good health, with joy and laughter, with cherished memories on this birthday of yours, and to give you blissful, happy, long life. We love you, and greetings from all your relatives and cousins here from Baclaran, from Alabang, and from Tagaytay. Happy birthday, Beth. How I wish we are there to celebrate your momentous event on your 80th birthday. We love you.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with happiness and laughter. May God Almighty will going to give you more years to enjoy in life. I am always thankful na even if like me, whenever nga naami diya, you always made me feel at home. Thank you for everything, and again, happy birthday, and we love you.